free Papua, free Papua, free Papua, free Maluku, free Maluku, free Maluku. ASNLF, Denmark, Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu'alaikum Wr. Dear my respected and most beloved Achenese brothers and sisters around the world, we, the voice of Achenese women in exile, are gathered here to remember the catastrophe that occurred in Aceh, namely at Arakundo, Idi Cut, 23 years ago. Even though we have been away from our homeland for more than 2 decades, on February 3rd, this memory remains vivid in our minds with the lives of dozens of Achenese brothers and sisters ruthlessly slaughtered by the colonial troops of Indonesia. The savagery will never be forgotten until justice is served. The heinous massacre by the Indonesian military against the people of Aceh on February 3, 1999 in Idi Cut was very surreal, as if those atrocious acts were carried out by beings that are inhuman. This idea that human beings can create such a chaos and massacre so many is a concept that we still cannot grasp. The event of massacre took place in the darkness of night with no warning to the people of the village. Later, to remove the traces and evidence of the heinous crimes, the bodies of our brothers were put in burlap sacks and then thrown into the Arakundo River, sadistic and barbaric beyond the rationale of any human being. The lives of Achenese are viewed with a great contempt by the Indonesian military. Brothers and sisters of the Achenese warriors, wherever you are, until this moment, justice for the victim has not been fulfilled. Not even a single perpetrator from the Indonesian military has never been brought to justice. There is not even an independent fact-finding team initiated to solve the Arakundo strategy. The fact that it has been decades and the Indonesian leadership continues to change it, nothing has been resolved. They are all the same in reality. They are all invaders from the senior military, regard to the President of Indonesia. Therefore, the voice of Achenese women exiled from their Danish capital would like to extend our call to all Achenese diaspora, wherever you are. We must once again learn from our warriors' experiences to never trust Indonesian leadership. It is evident that the Indonesian government has no intention of resolving human rights issues in a dignified manner. The ferocity will never be forgotten. These atrocities against humanity that must be eradicated from the face of the earth. Furthermore, it should be understood that the Arakundo strategy is not the only one of humanitarian strategies. There are many other strategies that were just devastating during Aceh armed massacre, Rumah Hidang strategy, and not to mention the massacre of the Guru Badakia and his students. Know that this horrific atrocity was formerly carried out by Dutch colonialists, but has now been embraced by the success known as Indonesia. Thank you. Free Aceh! Free Aceh! Free Aceh! Free Papua! Free Papua! Free Papua! Free Maluku! Free Maluku! Free Maluku!